So I'm here today with Police Lieutenant Colonel Lorna Santos from the Philippines National Police. Lorna is really spearheading the development of their DNA databasing project. Thank you for joining me today, Lorna. So with setting up this DNA databasing project, what are really some of the key challenges that you've identified in the organization of this?
That's a very good question that I think we have to focus on, because one of the biggest challenges in this particular endeavor for us is get the right people to be on board. Because without those people, then I'm afraid that would be very hard for us. Because I'm just only one person, or we're only one group, but this thing is not just a scientific area of putting into the society. It's more of a sociological endeavor. So we need to merge the scientific side, law enforcement side, and the society. So I think that's why the biggest challenge is what would be the key or the turning point wherein we could merge all those different facets of bringing this legislation into fruition or into a success.
And how are you working toward overcoming that challenge?
We tried to have a public awareness campaign. So earlier this year, we had this symposium wherein we bring in people who are experts in this field and who have vast experience in DNA databasing and the benefits of having this system in the country.
So what is your vision for the laboratory?
Well, my vision is to be at par with developed countries who has, or those countries who already have a system or a DNA database system in place. We want the same success rate. We want the same impact on the society. We want the criminals in their right places, take them away from the society. Yeah.
So Lorna, how important is it to have really the validation and standardization within your laboratory?
Validation, standardization, quality standard would be the foundation of this project or the DNA legislation, because we have to have a strong foundation. And since we rely on DNA technology, we really need to show that we are working on this and we are following a strict quality standards. We have validation in place, and everything in scientific aspect of that is everything should be in place. So we believe that we really have to work on that, particularly for us who are more on the technical side of this particular project.
So what's been your experience with the HPS Services from Thermo Fisher Scientific?
Okay. HPS Services, they are excellent people. You know what, it's like working not only with a professional, but it seems like working with friends. So they are very accommodating, and they are very professional people. But at the same time, they because for us Filipinos particularly, we are somewhat relaxed in some way, and we really love working with them. And the professionalism is really very good.
With the HID professional services that you've actually utilized within your laboratory, has that been for databasing as well as casework?
You know what, at first we were a little hesitant employing the HPS services on our validation work, because okay, we are again questioning or thinking of budget, but then looking into it, it's worth it. Because these are professional people who know what to do, and who know how to do it right. And since that would mean that for us, practitioners in the laboratory, we could concentrate on focusing on for us is a more important aspect of the criminal investigation, wherein, okay, we have to be assured that we are using quality standard, validated procedures through the help of the people who really know how to do that. So with the help of the HPS group, then we could focus more on our job that we are supposed to do in the first place.
Lorna, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us today. It certainly is a very exciting time to be in forensic DNA analysis.
Yeah, it is indeed. Thank you very much.
And to learn more, please visit us at thermofisher.com/HID.